Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a tutorial how to make a float game in the Buildbox. So there is two ways to make this float game. The first way is to create the float game from the beginning, or you can create this float game from using template from Buildbox. Using this is the float game. Okay, first you click it, and then you can use it. Okay, in this video I just used the template from this Buildbox, but I explain it from the beginning. So there is start, main menu UI, 3D World UI, and game over UI. In main menu UI, there is a float theme and a play button. So you can edit the start button using this image and click the pencil. You can add PNG picture from your device. You can download it from Google, or you can use it from the Buildbox. So if you want to upload it into the Buildbox, you just need to open your device and then search your picture, and then add your picture to this navigation button to make it into start button. Okay, now the 3D World UI, the 3D World, the gravity is minus 9.8 in Y, and then the inside like this. So the camera is facing the player like this. You can change the character. So you close it first. Now the character. There is two 3D model. You can delete it and you can edit the first 3D model. Choose the anything, or you can add asset library, smart asset, or you can use it asset. So in the asset is so many things you can use to play as your character. Maybe I use this spaceship one. Okay, and then click the asset library again and drag the spaceship one into character. Okay, so in the spaceship you can change the collision group into character, and then look at this, the physics is kinematic, so you change the physics in the spaceship into kinematic too. Okay, now close the camera first. Okay, now you can delete this character and delete this too. Yes, okay, then drag the spaceship into the 3D world. Okay, now reposition it. Okay, where is the oh, there is. Okay, now here, and then to change the position you need to use this move tool. You can drag it, or you can change the position by using the coordinate, changing the coordinate here. Okay, the spaceship is too big, so I want to resize it into 0.3, maybe 0.3 and 0.3. Okay, this is the spaceship. The scale here is 0.3. X, Y, and Z is 0.3. Now I want to rotate it. Maybe Y is 90 degree. No. Wait. Like this. Oh, Y is 0 and the X is 90. Okay. Wait. 90. Okay, now the Z is 0. Yes. And the X is 92. Okay, so the X is 90, Y is 90, and Z is 90. Z is 0 for the rotation. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Wait. Control Z first. Okay, the character. Open the character. So you need to copy all of this code to the spaceship first. Okay, I forgot, sorry. So copy the trail, move, touch, float, collide, defeat, debris, animation, delay, and event. Okay, copy and paste it. Okay, now you connect all this to your spaceship. Okay, the first is trail. Okay, and then if collide, and then move, and then enabled. Okay, like that. Enabled, press enabled, released. Wait. The press is up, and the created is enabled. If collide is defeat. Okay, like that. And then debris explosion, and then from defeat enabled, and is delay. The delay is 1 second, and out is game over. Okay, like that. So I change the spaceship. Okay, delete it, and then change the position. This is 0.3, scale is 0.3, 0.3, and 0.3. Okay, now the rotation is 90. Wait. This is 0, this is 90, like that. No. 0, and this is 90. Wait, or maybe this is the 90. Oh, like that. Okay, minus 90. Okay, now change the position like this. Okay, so I change it. The rotation in Z is 90 and the X and Y is 0. Okay, like that. Okay, now I change the position. Wait, here. Okay, so there is a lot of, wait, I delete this because I can't use it. Okay, so there is a lot of level in this game. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at this. There is a green circle, like this. This is the point. Okay, the collision group is coin, basic is known. This is a pair. This coin is spare. So if the character or your spaceship is collide with this coin, you will add score into 1. Okay, and this is the background. All of this level have it, and the red one right here is the obstacle. So the collision group is actually enemy. So if you touch it, your character will be explode. Okay, like that. You can change the 3D model at the texture. I have the texture here in my device. Wait, where is my texture? Maybe this. And change this red into white. Okay, now I change this plane or this background, okay, into static, and then the 3D model color is white. Okay, and then the texture, I add this galaxy background like this. Save. Okay, like that. Now back to the main map. This is 3D World UI. So there is the event observer. This name is game over. So this thing is need to observe the event game over, and this is the score. So this is the score. So if you collide the point with your spaceship, it will appear here at 1 if your score is 2. If you collide the point again, this point will change to 3, like that. And the last one is game over or UI. That is game over, name, score, and this is the score point and the current point you play in the game. Okay, maybe you can delete this character. Yes, and then this is the debris. So in this debris explosion, this debris is used for the debris explosion asset. Here you can change the color with set, or you can add trail to make things look cooler, like this. The spaceship debris explosion minimum scale is 0.05 and maximum scale is 0.1, and then the trail is colored orange, like that. And then I try it. So this is the main menu, and then to play it, you can click the this start button. So if you want to play, you can click the mouse button to make this float, like that. Okay, I forgot there is in this spaceship, if collide affected asset, this is not obstacle but enemy. So if collide enemy, there will be defeat, and there is explosion in with your spaceship, and there's animation, and then in delay 1 second, and then event game over. Okay, I try it again. So if collide with the obstacle, will be like that. The explosion is too many, so the total I reduce it into maybe 5. I'll try it again. Okay, like that. And then if touching the obstacle, will be explode like that. Okay, I change the debris basic into known, not the dynamic. Okay, I try it again like that. Maybe dynamic. Okay, still dynamic, or maybe kinematic. I try it again. Okay, this is the kinematic. Okay, no, it's dynamic. Okay, now maybe the move I will, this is y and z is known, and the speed is maybe like 20, and the float downforce is 1, rotation force 45, acceleration is 0.5, like that, to make the spaceship is faster. Oh, like this. Maybe the spaceship physics is not kinematic, maybe dynamic, like that. No. Wait. Kinematic. Okay, like that. Okay, so if I collide with this obstacle, it will be game over. Okay, that is the float game. If you like it, you can make yourself in Buildbox application. So thank you for watching, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.